So here's how you can upload Reels on the Instagram through the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded and also update it to the latest version, right? So go to the App Store, look up Instagram, and if there is an update available, make sure you get the latest one because, Instagram recently brought in like a new update, a good one for the iPad, and it makes the using of the app much better on that platform. But essentially, you want to get inside of the application, click on the plus button on the left. Naturally, I'm assuming that you are signed in and everything is set up in terms of your account, but click on the plus button. You might get to the camera view, but from the bottom, make sure you don't go with the post or a story, but you want to go to the reel creation page, right? Because obviously all have like different purposes. So go to the reel. You can either decide to upload something specific from the gallery by clicking on the bottom left corner where there is a button to access that camera, or you can also use the built-in camera and you'll be able to just capture something, like record the video on the go and then perform some edits to it later. So as I say, once you have the photo or video ready for the reel, you'll be able to just go through the setup process where you have the options to add some effects like overlay or stickers and all of these kind of things to make sure that it works better. But that's how you could make it work, right? And then just set up the description and all of the details about publishing, and you just click on publish and you're going to be good to go. So that is how it would technically work. I would really appreciate your feedback in the comment section if you manage to set it up for yourself as well. Let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next quick tips and tutorials, and I'll see you later.